Thank you. Warm welcome to you all and to the honorable dignitaries on the dais, especially our Chief Minister and the Minister of State. I will give you a brief overview of this event. This event is being organized by ILETS in association with the government of J&K, and as you know that ILETS is an organization established in 1997 promoting ICT for development. Mainly the focus areas have been governance, education and health. And we have been in Malaysia, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Beijing and various other places. We are proud to have 3 magazines, e-governance, e-health and digital learning, which are Asia's leading magazines on the subject. And I am also proud to announce that e-governance magazine is actually completing 100 issues by the next issue. So we are achieving a milestone in achieving these areas of dissemination. Our magazine called Education in the Digital Learning or e-health, and our flagship initiatives on e-India, e-Asia and various other state events. And we have been taking these efforts of promoting ICTs in the field of governance, education and health across Asia, and even last e-Asia, government of Bangladesh released a stamp on our event e-Asia last 2 years. So across states we have been engaging the thought leaders on these issues, and our belief is that ICT can help eliminating many of the social issues related to governance, healthcare and education. And we are promoting this agenda as a mission across India and outside. So as a brief history of this event, we had a last event of this kind in Udaipur, which was hosted by government of Rajasthan, which was attended by various thought leaders. And this event is all about ideas, opinions and best practices sharing from India and outside. And the host partner of this event is the government of J&K, Department of IT, and our various other partners are Department of IT at the Government of India and NIXI, TCIL, JK Department of various other departments, and we have our partners in NIXI, NILET, SDPI, and people who have been the sponsor of this event have been Trimax and Cisco, who have been a strategic partner, and people like Vakrangi, VMware, Juniper, Polycom, various other companies. We are trying to bring in this state to open up a avenue for local industries, local companies to engage with the bigger players outside the state. So this event is an attempt to bridge that divide between the IT happening outside J&K and inside J&K. So we have companies like CA, Dell, SafeNet, Intel, who are our associate sponsors, and we have the local companies who are Aman, Comtech, Pyramid and Cyber City, who have been partnering in this event. So this was a brief overview on this Ego Knowledge Exchange, Srinagar. Thank you so much.